So this is how you can schedule YouTube video on your iPhone, and let's get into it. So if you would have like a video uploaded to your YouTube channel, you need to use your YouTube Studio app to manage all of your channels and everything, right? So when you have this set up and open up this app, you get inside and you want to find that video which you want to schedule. Right, so when you click on this, you get to 3 buttons for more options, then tap on edit. And in the visibility section, you just select when it's supposed to be published. So you have the ability to publish in the now, change it to be unlisted or private. But if you click on a schedule, you have the ability to choose a very specific date and a time, and just ensure that when that time is going to come, then the video will be like published at that time automatically, so you don't need to do anything about it. You also have the set as premiere option, which is a great feature because you can just show people what's coming up, that this video is going to be published at that time so they can get excited. You usually do this for videos which are a little bit more like higher quality or things which you want to premiere. So that's kind of how it works, and this is how you can schedule a YouTube video on the iPhone. So let me know below in the comments if it helped you out, or if you have some more questions or problems with it. Go ahead and leave them below in the comments. Perhaps I might make an updated video just about that. So thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.